Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So for those of you that saw my video I posted earlier today, you'll know that I've just got back from my holiday and I received this bar. Now this is the Royal Celebration bar. And for those of you that watched my video that I put up earlier, you'll know that there's been a lot of controversy around this bar. Now there was a particular bullion dealer in the UK that advertised these bars for sale on their website in this blister pack. Now it appears that when they actually received their silver bars, they didn't turn up in these blister packs, they actually turned up in the vinyl sleeves. So they actually had to contact all of their customers. Some of them they partial refunded, some customers completely cancelled their orders. And it was a whole palaver that they had to go through, all because the Royal Mint sent them the wrong material. They sent them images to put on their website showing this bar in its blister pack. And then they sent them the bars that weren't in this blister pack. So that's kind of how it all started. Now I've done a little bit more digging into some of the issues surrounding this bar. And I went onto the Silver Forum and there's a whole topic discussing this bar. But during this topic, there is a post from Chards, and on there it says, "We received our stock. We were told the 1 ounce was coming in a vinyl sleeve, but it's come in a blister pack. The 10 ounces are all in vinyl sleeves as mentioned above." And they've actually attached photos there of how they've received these bars. Now that's perfectly fine, and I've actually got one of these bars on order from Shards, and I actually went to the Royal Mint to get this one because I saw on the Royal Mint's website that it said that these were only available in the blister packs if you bought them exclusively from the Royal Mint. And it says 10,000 of these bars are displayed in official and secure blister packaging, which is only available exclusively from the Royal Mint's website. So you can already see that although they're saying on their website you can only get these bars available in the blister packs exclusively from the Royal Mint's website, you can see that that's actually a lie, because Shards has actually been sent these bars in the blister pack. So that's either a mistake, another mistake surrounding these bars, but they've actually sent the wrong stock to Shards, or in fact it's a complete lie and they are sending these to other suppliers to be able to sell from their websites. So it just goes to show that there's so much still going on surrounding this bar, and that's not the end of it. If you scroll down, you can see that it says at the bottom there, serial number, unique serial number. Now this bar has no unique serial number on it whatsoever. It's got no serial number on the front, it's got no serial number on the packaging. When you turn it over, you've got no unique serial number at the top there, nothing on the bar, nothing at the bottom, absolutely no serial number on this bar whatsoever. So I went on to the live chat and eventually they put me through to someone that they called a specialist that would be able to help me with my inquiry. Now when I questioned them about the serial number, they replied saying only the larger bars have an engraved serial number. So I replied saying, why does it say it on the 1 ounce on the website? And they just posted a link to the 1 ounce gold bars, as if to say the gold versions are the ones that have the serial number. However, I believe that's not the case. I haven't actually got a 1 ounce gold, one of these bars to hand, but I'm pretty sure from the images I've seen online, they don't have a serial number on them either. But I just replied saying, nope, it says on the silver one too. You can see from the photo I sent you, and I actually sent them a photo earlier on in the chat showing them where it says that it has a unique serial number. And then they sent me back another link to the 1 ounce silver bullion bar, to which I sent them a link again showing where it says the 1 ounce silver one has a unique serial number. They replied saying, I think the serial number will be provided with each bar sold from us. It is not engraved on the bar itself. So I feel like they're trying to suggest that it'll be on the packaging of the bar. But obviously, again, like I've just shown you, there is no serial number on this bar whatsoever. Now I've just replied saying it's not, I received my bar from you today. And then they said, if you would like to contact us in the morning when the bullion team are in, they'll be able to give you some more advice on this. And then they give me the contact numbers there. So again, I'm still no further forward. I still have no idea what is going on with this bar. Are you only able to get this blister pack from the Royal Mint's website, or can you go on to other bullion dealers and pick up this same blister pack. And what is the deal with the serial number? It clearly says on the website it should have a serial number, but we can see there is no serial number on this bar or on the packaging. So very quick video. I'm sorry about the production level of this video. I haven't got my setup up and running again. Like I said, I've just got back from holiday, so I haven't got my silver out of storage. But I've just been kind of reading through posts on the silver forum and people's discussions in Stacker Social regarding this bar. And it just seems that there's been problems with this bar being released from start to finish. I don't know why it's so difficult to put a description of a bar on a website and decide who is and isn't selling this blister pack version. Really, really poor from the Royal Mint, and it's a real shame because this is the first 1 ounce silver bar they've actually released for a while. So I was actually quite looking forward to getting it in my hand. But now I've got a bit of a sour taste in my mouth because of all the issues that are surrounding it. Now, if I would have known that I could have just got the blister pack from Shards in the first place, which are quite a bit cheaper than going directly to the Royal Mint, then I wouldn't have bothered buying this one from the Royal Mint. So I only brought this from the Royal Mint because I thought the one that I was going to get from Shards would have just a vinyl sleeve as they advertised. So really, really strange. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section below. Has this put you off getting this bar? Are you still getting this bar? Have you got this bar? There's also another issue around the quality control on these bars. Backyard Bullion got one that had really bad damage to the blister pack. I've also noticed on closer inspection that there is marks and bits and pieces in between the bar and this blister pack. Now, don't get me wrong, I know it's bullion, I know it's not proof, but still, I don't even know what it is, but there's lots of these little specks and bits and pieces between my bar and the actual plastic. So yeah, that's not great either. Just really, really poor. When you buy things in blister packs, especially when there's only 10,000 of them, you expect them to be a little bit more premium than just a bullion pieces. Now, I get this is still a bullion piece, but at least put it in the blister pack without things stuck in between it. It's just a real shame. So again, bad publicity for the Royal Mint. Let me know your thoughts on this whole fiasco in the comment section. As always, thanks very much for watching my videos. I'm going to try and get my setup completed either later on tonight or tomorrow morning, so I'll be filming back in my studio. But for now, thanks very much for watching. Thank you for all the support, and I hope you have a very nice day.